So we made it up to come and see all the nice colors out here. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see my arm in camouflage. Might blend in with the trees. Oh, they just look so gorgeous. Can't even, oh, it's like, oh, how gorgeous is this? It's just so nice up here today. We picked the perfect day. It's been nasty, I guess, all week. We come up and it's gonna be 70. Good morning, everybody. We're gonna do some chipping today. A little chilly, walking over to our clearing. Got Jason over here already, all suited up for our cold weather. Got us a wood chipper here, just a little one. Should be nice. Nice, beautiful fall day here in Upper Michigan.
What's up? Try out the new chipper. See if we can get rid of all these small branches. And then everything that won't chip will turn into firewood.
Should be fun. Alright guys, really loud wood chipper, so we'll see how things go. So we're trying this out for the first time. Tried out the shredder part first, and it's pretty shreddy. So we're going to try the chipper part next. Alright, we need tools. Okay, it was just a little bit of a stick stuck, wedged in. We got that out. Now we're going to try the chipper part. Shredder is not fun. Nothing like a little bit of work to get you warmed up.
Always something with new equipment.
Yeah. Had something get stuck. Just gonna clean it out.
Well, trying out the new chipper. So far I think it's been working pretty good. I don't know, just to learn the limitations of it. I mean, it's not a huge one, but it's serving its purpose. Anything that we can chip, we'll just turn into firewood. But I guess it's helping make our piles just right.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fun. Got our little chainsaw. We're gonna cut up the ones that need to be not as wide, so it'll go through the thing.
We'll shoot.
Yeah. But yeehaw!
Another tool for the property that'll help us get to our goals at the end.
All right.
I don't like the shredder. The chipper's good. The shredder?
Shredder's kind of iffy. It likes to jam it up. So, another little impromptu break. Alright, we got that knuckle out of there. Jason decided to give the wood chipper a knuckle sandwich. Bound it up. But we're going to get back to work now and finish getting this pile out. It's been pretty good so far. Looks like there's still something stuck in there. What did you do? Well, something's wedged in there. It's making it not turn freely, so we'll see what happens.
I might have to take that chute off.
Looks like there's a little branch stuck up in there. We'll fix it and get back to it when we're done. It's turning into a little bit more than we expected. It's lodged in there pretty damn good. So I'm going to show you. So it ended up getting lodged right there. So it's to the point where we can't, it won't move. So we're going to loosen all of these around the edge to try to loosen that up so that we can get that.
A little more room. Maybe we can unwedge it. If not, we're going to have to disassemble this and stop what you're doing. We're going to unbolt this so my hand has more room and I can slide my hand out. Get twisted and I'm stuck. It's kind of scary.
Yeah, Jason's stuck in the chipper. Talk about getting into your work. That's gonna happen. I'll show you what his hand's doing, cause yeah. He's stuck.
Literally.
In the wood chipper. It wedged him in there, so now he's
piece
got
of wood back there, and I was trying to spin this to unlatch it, so I got it to pop and spin, but then my hand right here.
Oh, can you get it?
Not yet. The blade is at my wrist.
Oh, that's not good.
Get my hand out of it. There it goes. See?
Oh, did you
My
get
hand was over there, and look at the room. My hand was stuck like that, and this was folded over it.
Ouch.
And I couldn't get it out. So I'm trying to twist that to unlodge this piece of wood that's back in there.
Yeah.
Piece stick the 3 back in there. Put the bolts on.
Had to take apart the whole damn thing just to get your hand out of the darn thing. Sheesh.
And I knew a chipper would get stuck and be a pain, but this is ridiculous. I don't like the shredder, I'll just say that.
No, the shredder, no. We still have that huge pile to go. Of course, the rest of this one left to go. And then we have another pile over here. So we need to be able to get moving. Oh, he got it out.
See where the blades caught, and it just bound it up. This is hardwood. It's at like a knuckle. And just got bound and didn't want to start.
Yep, you like putting them knuckle darn sandwiches in there, don't you?
I guess you start now.
Yeah.
I'll probably reassemble this whole thing.
Alright, well.
Well, it's free, so.
Yay. Alright, now we're going to put it back together and we'll get back to work. Finally got it back running good.
Colossal waste of time, but it's running.
Woo! Now we can get back to work. We're gonna have to get these stumps out of here at some point. Well, we're done for the day. Made a pretty big pile of wood chips.
Got anything the chipper wouldn't take over there to start a wood pile.
Got that pile there.
More too.
And that pile there. And we had my mom and dad stopped over. Oh, they're getting a hug. So we're gonna go and refill our propane. It ended up
propane's out in the RV. It's gonna be cold tonight.
So we gotta get our propane. So good morning, everybody. So this morning I'm going to be staining this deck to clear up these leaves so we can have a fire today. And Jason, he's going to go get the
RV coolant so we can blow out the RV lines. We have oil
for the chipper because it needs to be oil changed after 5 hours.
5 hours of run time for the break-in, so we can do some more chipping today.
Yep. So we're gonna have some finishing up today, and yeah, it'll be fun.
It's our plans today. Let's see what we get done.
So from doing the deck over at our house down south, we use this. So I'm going to be, I have it left over, and that's the name of the game for anything we're doing up here, is try to do it as cheap as possible. So it's a good stain. It's working good for that one, so I'm going to use it here. And I forgot to bring a tray, so I'm using a box, and I just put a garbage bag over it. And I'm going to put this in here so I can use my brush. deck done. And you might have noticed Jason doing the oil change on the chipper. So that's ready. So now we are going to go and chip. Well, we're closing up for the season. He's up there power washing right now. We've already winterized the plumbing and everything. Cleaned it all out, got everything out of all the cupboards, wiped everything down, vacuumed it all out. All done for the winter. And we just got to finish up with doing this, and then we're going to put the cover over top.